What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where to buy accessories in NBA 2K26. So if you wanna buy accessories like arm sleeves, leg sleeves, compression shorts or headbands, then firstly we need to find the location of the store, and to do that firstly we need to open our map, and inside our map we need to go to this side and then we'll find this statue, and near this statue we have this legend spot. So just go over it and press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to set our waypoint, and then you'll notice that a blue dot has been added here. So now we can exit our map and we just need to follow our waypoint. So you can bring up your skateboard by pressing LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation so that you will reach there faster. As you can see, this is the statue and we need to go inside this store which is Legend Sport. We just need to go inside it and then press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to open the store menu, and inside the store menu we just need to scroll down a bit and then we'll find this accessories column. So select that and then you can see we have these headbands and you can explore all of the headbands here. So this one costs 2000 VC. If you have that much VC, then you can simply add this to your cart, then press Y or triangle to open the cart and you can do your purchase. Then we also have this arm wear. So I wanna get right arm wear, so I'll just select that arm wear from here and you can see the preview on the right side of the screen. So let's say I want to get wrist and tapes, then I can select that, and now you can see bunch of wrist tapes are here. Now you can go through all of these items and purchase the one you like, and once you do your purchase, just press the main menu key on your Xbox controller or options button on your PlayStation. After that, go to my player from here and then select appearance. Inside appearance we need to open on code accessories, and then you can see we have a bunch of categories here. So I buy the right arm accessory, so this is the one. I need to press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to equip these accessories, and you can see the accessory has been equipped. I also have these socks, then we have this right leg knee pad. So these are the things you can do for equipping and buying accessories in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.